Welcome to the restored Cerb 4.5. Car came to us having had outriggers and various other jobs done. Has a cracking service history to begin with. The car itself was in good order, but the guy that bought it from us wanted it just right. Unfortunately, he's suffering with some back issues, so he's got to move it on. However, we left no stone unturned in getting the car exactly how he wanted it. So the body's been resprayed. It's not yet been polished or ceramic coated yet. So it gives you an idea of how good the spray job is. We've had a lot of comments already on how good the paint is, but it's not even finished yet. Every single bit of the car has been given attention. Wheels refurbed, new tyres, brakes rebuilt. Everything in the engine bay is fresh and new. There isn't anything that we haven't touched. Chris has rebuilt the throttle bodies, all the lines, again, all the brake lines have been done. The interior has been refreshed. Again, Cerb interiors, as much as we love them, they do wear out pretty quick, same as the steering wheels, but this literally looks like it's new again, which is fantastic. The car has had new exhaust. Everything underneath the car has been done. We'll show you that shortly. Again, every wheel, nut, bolt, washer, thrust bearing, everything has been done. The rear lights have been upgraded to the newer style. They're yet to be sprayed, so they'll be sprayed and then closed in. However, if you want it with the original lamps, we've got the original lamps, so they're still an option too. So moving into the interesting part of a TVR, which all of you guys will be keen to see, is the underside. So as you can see, everything is fresh. Drive shafts have been rebuilt. Every single drop link, nut, bolt, washer has been replaced. New wheel bearings, all your adjusters. Everything's been powder coated, obviously stripped back. Any bit of rust that was there has been taken away. All new bushings in your diff. As you can see, the suspension's fresh. All of the plates have been done. Exhausts are fresh. There's absolutely no leaks. She's dry as anything. Even your oil feed pipes have been remade. Again, another cautionary item. So the car is basically as it would have been coming out of the factory, if not better. It really is as good as you're likely to find. We've gone over and above whilst the thing was apart as well. So gearbox has been rebuilt just as a cautionary measure, and also because it's about the age when most of the steering racks want doing, the steering rack's been refreshed as well. Upgraded pipes, so you've got ACT silicone pipes and stainless hoses. So at the front end of the car, as I say, all the calipers have been rebuilt all the way around using AP's own stuff. New pads all round, and the discs are fresh as well. So upgraded brake lines. We've also done the brake block in here as well, so that's fresh. New alloy rad, new aircon rad, obviously the chin spoiler there as well. Also done the steering arms, just because we wanted them to look fresh. It's just nicer to put brand new stuff on. So really there isn't anything else you could possibly want to do on this car unless you want to go for a 4.7 upgrade. That and maybe carbon ACT airboxes, but there isn't a lot more you could do. Gives you some idea of what it's like, and no stone has been unturned. It'll be the one for you to drive, look after, and hopefully it's going to be one of the best there is. So it will look after you money wise for a long time too.